In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life indicator on a 2020 Ford Edge. It's a pretty simple process, but takes just a little bit to get through the menus. If you end up thinking this video is helpful, please give it a like. Consider subscribing to help us make more videos just like this. What you're going to do is use the directional pad right here. Then you're going to watch the screen. I'm going to press the left button here to get to where it says display mode. I'm going to go down to settings. Then I'm going to go to vehicle settings. I'm going to hit the right arrow. And then I'm going to go down to oil life reset. Then hitting the right arrow button. You'll notice that this is at 11%. The oil has been reset in this vehicle. So I'm going to press OK to reset. And you're going to press and hold it. It'll take it just a second. Now the oil life is back to 100%. That's all it takes. Pretty simple process. Again, if you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like. Comment with any questions. Consider subscribing to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.